How to transfer money from your Bank of America to your any other bank account or any another bank account. Firstly, to do this, you will be needed a verified and active bank account, and then you can simply log into your account using your user ID and your password. After logging in, what you have to do is simply follow the steps here on the official website I'm showing you. For mobile app, use your fingerprint to log in successfully on your Bank of America website, and then set up automatic transfer from checking to savings. Move funds between your accounts and set future date transfer out. Firstly, use your fingerprint and log in. Select pay and transfer, then transfer between my accounts. Select the account you want to transfer from and then account you want to transfer to. Enter the amount you would like to transfer. Enter the date you want to transact to occur and then tap the continue option. Confirm the transaction and make the transfer, and you are done successfully. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it.